Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, in order to set up two-factor authentication, hover over to My Account and click on Settings once again. You will then be taken into your settings page. If you scroll a little bit down, you will see the two-factor authentication section. Click on Enable option alongside email and you will be told to check your inbox. So just log in to the email address that you are using to log in to your Riot Games account and you will find an email sent by Riot Games. If you open up this email, you will see the Enable Two-Factor Authentication button. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be told that two-factor authentication has been enabled. When you click on Manage Account, you will see that the two-factor authentication has been enabled. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on your Riot Games account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.